Hello, this is Mr. Blais with another great tech tip of the week. For this week's tech tip, I'm going to showcase the website Canva. It's a great graphic design site that should meet all of your graphic design needs, and the bonus is a majority of the features on the site are free. So let's head over to Canva. Now once you're here on Canva's website, let me show you the interface, and then we'll get into creating a simple presentation which will allow you to see all the tools that Canva has to offer. You have two ways to start your design. You can select from the gorgeous thumbnails here, create a design, and you can see they have presentation, logo, cards, flyers, Facebook, Instagram, photo collage, business card, and a lot of others options. Also to keep in mind is this is not just a digital site, but you can download all the wonderful creations that you're making, and then you can also print those out and send them, post them online, share them with friends, and print them out and sell them if you'd like. Now another option is you can select create a design, and you can search for the same graphic design options here over here, and you can just scroll through, or you could search. So that's a neat way to start. I'm going to start with a basic presentation, which I will use right here. It's this 16 by 9. Now that we're in the Canva work screen, what I'm going to showcase is also available on any of the other options that you're going to create. Like if you were going to create a card, a collage, a short video, the interface is the same. I just chose presentation because a lot of people make presentations, and these presentations I've been told look very professional, and I've had lots of compliments on these. So the first thing we're going to do is realize that we have our title bar up here, file, create a new design, show margins, print bleed to make sure that you don't go over the edges and everything that you see is going to print. Save to folder, make a copy, and download. Over here on title design, that's where you can type in the title. I'm just going to type in mine, art presentation. And then you also have your share options up here. Share. You can select to view with the link or to edit if you want someone to help, kind of like Google Docs. You can have somebody help to edit and copy the link and send that on their way. You can also create teams of people if you're all working together. You have the option to download, and then you also have the option to present. More options will show up here once we've started our creation. Over on the left hand side we have templates. You can use the filter option for any of these categories. But let's say you're looking for something purple in your template, a pre-made template. Now that search has filtered everything according to purple. If you want to clear that, just go over here and select clear. Now you can see all of the templates I've used so far and that I have modified. You can see simple presentations, categories. You click see all, and it will show you all of the categories, or all of the templates available within the startup presentation section. And again, you can filter within that. I want to find all the orange ones, apply filter, and there you go. But now I want to clear all and go back to the beginning. So search through, lots of great choices depending on your needs. Photos, you have a nice category, descriptions up top: earth, food, flowers, money, nature, books, lots of categories. You can see my recently used, trending. At this point I just want to note that if you see a pro or a crown icon, you will have to get the image by paying $1 when you go to download. So if we added one of these images here to our presentation, then select the download, we would, unless we had Canva Pro, we would have to select pay $1. So just make sure that you don't choose one of those unless you really are invested in it. Most of them are free. These are just the trending ones. That's probably why they charge for those. Elements, recently used up top. You can see all the items I've chosen. Featured, a lot of neat items here. According to times we're going through now, coronavirus. Grids, if you want to make a neat collage with photographs or graphics. Shapes, one of my favorite underused tools is shapes, and you can layer these, you can make artwork with them and really make your presentation stand out. Frames, I'll showcase how to use these. If you drag a photo inside, the photograph takes the shape of the frame. Super easy. Some fun stickers, charts, lines, gradients, and lots of other things. Remember to use the search to help filter through the results. Text, you have the basic text options of heading, subheading, and body. You also have pre-made, pretty sweet looking font combinations, and you can definitely further customize these. I think it makes it a lot easier to customize them, but this way you don't have to think too much, and you get a really sweet looking pre-made font combo. You want to jazz up your presentation with some music, feel free to add some music of whatever type you need. Videos, these are simple videos. These are not really YouTube videos. They're just kind of very just kind of like background sort of music in a way, you know, like it's just a visual to fill up the background. You have regular backgrounds, lots of variety. You can filter, you can select the color you want, or you can choose some amazing, gorgeous backgrounds. Uploads, all the photos you downloaded from the internet are uploaded from your computer. Folders, if you have them, favorite images or graphics. More, this is pretty neat here. You can add custom emojis and you can customize their colors. QR codes, Facebook, Google Maps, lots and lots of options that you can intertwine into your design. Now what I'm going to do right now is going to go back up to the templates. I'm going to get you started with making a simple presentation design from scratch. So let's just go ahead and start with the backgrounds. Let's grab something that looks really eye-catching here. I like this one here. It's simple, not too distracting. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some text. We're just going to add a basic heading in. And you see the purple or magenta lines that come up? That tells me I'm centered horizontally or vertically. If I want to get one of both, make sure you have them both. Like that. I'm going to move mine up a little bit. I'm going to select in here, Art, Presentation, and now I'm going to maybe change this to a different font. I'm going to select here. I'm going to change just those letters. Oh, guess I can't. I'm going to change this entire area to a kind of a fun font here, and I'm going to change to a complementary color of like a yellowish orange, and it makes it stand out really nice. And you can add a subheading in here, and I'll put that over here, kind of in the corner. Mr.Blais. Again, you can change the font if you want something different. I'll put this one here. Now to add a new slide, all you have to do is select either plus up here or add a new page. I'm going to select add new page. For this slide, what I'm going to show you is the pre-made text option. So I'm going to get started by adding in an element. I'm going to slide up top. And I'm going to select, we'll select the circle tool, And I'm going to resize this. Now once you have it in there, the circle that is, you notice your color option comes up here. Once I add it, gray is the default. So I'm going to add a nice yellow to really stand out here, yellow circle. And let's say we go ahead and add some text. Let's select a pre-made text. It takes a minute to load, and here it is. Now you notice here it has two different sections, so you can change the fonts in each section. I'm not going to worry about the type of font, but let's say we chose white. See how that looks? I like that. I want to make it a little larger. I'm going to put art. I'm going to select down here. Changes you. We can change the font, maybe a nice blue to tie in with the background. And there we go. Beautiful little capture here. Now let's see if I want to move this over. And let's go ahead and add in a cool photo frame here. So I'm going to go back to here. Let's say we wanted to add a phone. We wanted to see what artwork would look like on a phone. So we're going to have a frame here, and watch what happens when I type in art, get my art photo. And now I'm going to drag the image I want right inside and let go. And you notice the photograph took the form of the object. I put that in there inside the photo of the phone. And you can go ahead and add other text. Let's say we add a new page. But before we do that, let's go add a title. We'll call this the phone slide. And I'll go here and add title slide. Also, you can add in presentation notes here. Put in here something like, make sure to discuss phones. And that's something only you will see. I'm gonna, also, what is a neat feature, say we wanted to duplicate this phone to use somewhere else, select the phone, oh, sorry about that. My duplicate option did not come up. I apologize. I have to figure out why that happened. But you can change the color, and you can filter the photo a little bit too. I'm going to add a new page here, and I'm going to add in a YouTube video. Let's go ahead and go to more, YouTube, type in art, and we'll select this one here. Just click it, and there's an easy way to add the YouTube video in. You want to add a custom emoji. You could add an emoji in. You can rotate it, and you notice you get a color box that appears when you click on the emoji, and you can change it. Make the hearts, maybe let's make those green. And there you have it. There is how to use Canva. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see what you guys can create using Canva. So when now that you're all done creating your presentation, all you're going to do is select download. You can select a video, GIF, animation is a plus, PDF, or PNG. So let's say I wanted to do a PDF. You can choose the pages you want. Just those, click done, and then you'll see it is starting to download. And there you have it. That is how you use Canva.